From Manila to Vinson's Port, Calaguas is located 333 kilometers south and it would take you around 8 to 9 hours of land travel.
All the crying, reality caught up with us. We went head first into the fire until we crashed and burned. No, I was.
So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Vinson's Port. Nag-breakfast lang kami dito and etong mga bangka na to yung babiyahe papuntang Calaguas today. Weekends ngayon kaya expected na rin namin na maraming tao. Ito yung pinakaunang dadaanan nyo guys. Sabi ng mga boatmen, approximately 15 minutes travel sa part na to bago makarating sa mismong dagat.
There in the eye of the storm. When I look back, I see it clear. I tried but couldn't give you more. You were a great one.
So guys, eto na yung dulo ng part na yon. Kung makikita nyo, palabas na tayo ng Western Pacific Ocean and medyo maalon na sa part na to.
Burst into the waves until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one. But I
Mababasa talaga kayo papuntang Calaguas guys, kaya wag niyong kakalimutan bumili ng mga malalaking plastic sa Vinson's Port para sa mga bag nyo kasi mababasa talaga kayo sa 2 oras na biyahe, pati na rin ang mga gamit nyo.
maybe in another life we could have worked it out, but we got too close to the sun. Maybe in another life.
Oh! What happened? What happened?
What happened? O tara, banlaw ka ron. Let's go. Banlaw.
Grabe, ang blue ng tubig. Totoo nga ang sabi nila na iba ang ganda ng dagat dito sa Calaguas. So, ito yung resort na tutuluyan namin dito sa Calaguas and mostly tent pitching dito. But if you're not a fan of camping in tents, you may avail other types of accommodations from resorts around Mahabang Buhangin Beach. At syempre, ito na ang most awaited part of the day. Tara, lunch tayo! So guys, dahil may kasama kaming bata, we rented a room dito sa Calaguas Paradise Resort. Medyo may kamahalan lang, pero intindihin na lang natin guys at di rin talaga biro ang pagdala ng mga materyales dito sa island na to. So guys, kung gusto niyo ng mura, may mga sari-sari store sa ilang bahagi ng isla. May mga bahay din kung saan maaari ka magpaluto for a price. May iilang mangingisda rin na nagbebenta ng kanilang mga sariwang huli tuwing umaga o hapon. Kung gusto niyo ng mga seafood menu at iilang local vegetable dish, meron din sa Calaguas Paradise Resort.
Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone, you make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.
Where are you, Day?
I hear.
So, day 2 na namin dito sa Calaguas. Nandito kami sa pinakadulo ng island. Wala kasing tao dito masyado. So, time check is 6:10.
Calaguas Islands ay lalo nagiging sikat na beach destination. This beautiful beach in Camarines Norte is probably one of the best destinations in Luzon to go to if you want to spend idyllic time alone in nature.
Good. Good.
I could never give you what you need and deserve. We went head first into the waves until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I hope you think of me with love when all is said and done.
aso.
Ayun na si Tita.
Looking for
Natakbuhan ko yata dito eh.
mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Plays a hand upon my heart as her. She was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes.
So, ito nga pala yung room namin, guys. 1 queen size bed. Malakas din naman yung aircon niya. Tapos, ito yung CR. Di masyado nagagamit ito kaya medyo di ayos. Pero pwede nang pagstayan na tulugan, di naman tayo maarte.
Dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl.
Calagwas is a secluded paradise that offers a serene and tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, making it the perfect destination for travelers seeking a peaceful retreat. With its pristine beaches, untouched landscapes, and vibrant marine life, Calagwas is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the natural beauty of Camarines Norte. Sa totoo lang, ang kagandahan nito ay isang bagay na hindi lubos na mahuhuli ng mga kamera. Kailangan mo ito maranasan mismo bago mo maintindihan kung bakit madami ang pabalik-balik sa lugar na ito.
She's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country.
Lunch. Laging ulit.
She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy.